Meow. Lesson 35. Professor Whiskers here with our biggest review yet. You have completed Part 3, 13 lessons. Lessons 22 through 34. That is verbs, action verbs, time expressions, family, objects, present simple grammar, present continuous grammar, shopping conversations, restaurant conversations, directions, and weather, small talk. Incredible amount of vocabulary and skills, probably 200 new words, complete conversation abilities. Today, we do not learn anything new. Today, we practice everything. We combine it all. We have real conversations using all your knowledge. This is your chance to see how much you know, how far you have come, how well you can communicate. By the end of this review, you will feel confident with all of Part 3. You will be able to use everything naturally. Let us review lessons 22 to 34. First, let us quickly review all the vocabulary categories from Part 3. Lessons 22-24. Verbs: go, come, eat, drink, sleep, like, want, need, have, run, walk, sit, stand, open, close. I go to work. I like coffee. I run every morning. Lesson 25. Time expressions: yesterday, today, tomorrow, morning, afternoon, evening, night, last week, this week, next week. I worked yesterday. I am resting today. I will travel tomorrow, in the morning, at night. Lesson 26. Family: mother, father, sister, brother, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle, cousin, husband, wife, son, daughter. My mother is a teacher. I have 2 sisters. My grandmother is 80 years old. Lesson 27. Personal objects and technology: phone, keys, wallet, bag, computer, laptop, charger, headphones. I cannot find my keys. I need to charge my phone. Where is my laptop? Lesson 29. Present simple tense. For habits and routines: I work every day. She goes to school. We eat breakfast at 8. Lesson 30. Present continuous tense. For actions happening now: I am working. She's going. We are eating. They are studying. Lesson 31. Shopping conversations: how much is this? I would like this. Do you have this in blue? Can I pay with a card? Lesson 32. Restaurant conversations: can I see the menu? Would like the chicken, please. Can I have the check? Is the tip included? Lesson 33. Directions: where is the bank? Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. It is on your left. 2 blocks. Lesson 34. Weather and small talk: how is the weather? It is sunny. It is raining. Nice day is not it. It is cold today. That is a lot of vocabulary. Now let us use it together. Let us practice using your grammar in real conversation situations. Present simple in shopping: customer. Do you have this? Medium. Salesperson: yes, we have medium. Customer: how much does it cost? Salesperson: it costs $45. Customer: I will take it. I pay with cash, usually. Present continuous. In restaurant. Waiter. Are you ready to order? Customer. Yes. What are you having? Friend. I am thinking about the pasta. Customer. I am going to have the chicken. Time expressions everywhere. In shopping. I bought this yesterday. Yesterday. Past. In restaurant. I am eating here today. Today. Present. In directions. Turn left. Then in about 5 minutes, you will see it. Future. In weather. It was sunny yesterday. It is raining today. It will be cold tomorrow. Family and objects combined. My mother called this morning. Time and family. My sister is using my laptop right now. Family, objects, present continuous. My brother lost his keys yesterday. Family, objects, time, past, tomorrow. My father will bring his phone. Time, family, objects, future. See how everything connects? That is real English. Let us practice a complete scenario using multiple lessons. Shopping day scenario. A brother shopping with his sister on Saturday morning. Brother, nice weather today, is not it? Sister, yes, beautiful. Perfect day for shopping. They both arrive at the store. Brother, excuse me. Where is the clothing section? Salesperson, go straight, then turn left. It is on your right. Brother, thank you. At the clothing section. Brother, I like this shirt. Do you have it in blue? Salesperson, let me check. Yes, here you are. Size medium? Brother, yes, medium. Can I try it on? Salesperson, of course. The fitting room is over there. He tries it on. Brother, to sister. What do you think? Sister, it looks good. How much is it? Brother, to salesperson. How much does this cost? Salesperson, it is $35. Brother, I will take it. At the register. Salesperson, that is $35. Brother, I will pay with a card. Here you go. Salesperson, thank you. Here is your receipt. Brother, thanks. Have a good day. Brother and sister leave. Sister, I am hungry. Want to get lunch? Brother, good idea. There's a restaurant near here. Sister, which way? Brother, I think it is this way. Go straight for 2 blocks. This scenario used. Weather talk. Directions. Shopping vocabulary. Objects. Family. Present, simple. Present continuous. Calm expressions. Everything combined naturally. Another complete scenario using all your skills. Restaurant with parents scenario. It is Sunday evening. A son is at a restaurant with his mother and father. Host, good evening. How many? Son. 3, please. Host, right this way. At the table. Waiter. Hi, I'm Sarah. Can I start you with drinks? Son, I will have water, please. Mother, coffee for me. Father, I will have iced tea. Waiter, great. Here are your menus. I will be back. Son looks at the menu. Son, to his mother, what are you having? Mother, I am thinking about the fish. Father, the weather was terrible yesterday, was not it? Son, I know. It rained all day. Mother, but today is beautiful. Son, yes, perfect day. Waiter returns. Waiter, are you ready to order? Son, yes. I would like the chicken, please. Mother, I will have the salmon. Father, the steak for me. Well done, please. Waiter, excellent choices. Your food will be out shortly. During the meal. Waiter, how is everything? Son, delicious. Thank you. After finishing. Son, can we have the check, please? Waiter, of course. Here you are. Father looks at bill. Father, is the tip included? Waiter, no, it is not. Father, okay. I will pay with cash. Father pays. They all leave. Son, that was a nice meal. Mother, yes. Now I need to go home and rest. I am tired. Son, me too. How do we get home from here? Father, go straight and turn right at the bank. Our car is in the parking lot near the park. This scenario used restaurant conversation, family vocabulary, present continuous, present simple, time expressions, weather talk, directions, complete natural conversation. Let us review common mistakes from Part 3 lessons. Grammar mistakes. Wrong. I go yesterday. Right. I went yesterday. Past tense with yesterday. Wrong. She eating now. Right. She is eating now. Need is for present continuous. Wrong. I working every day. Right. I work every day. Present simple for routines. Preposition mistakes. Wrong. I go to work morning. Right. I go to work in the morning. Ni, in the. Wrong. I sleep night. Right. I sleep at night. Use at, not in. Shopping mistakes. Wrong. How many is this? Right. How much is this? Price uses how much. Wrong. I want buy this. Right. I want to buy this. Need to before verb. Direction mistakes. Wrong. Turn to left. Right. Turn left. No to needed. Wrong. Go to straight. Right. Go straight. No to needed. Weather mistakes. Wrong. The weather is sun. Right. It is sunny. Or, the weather is sunny. Wrong. Is raining. Right. It is raining. Need it is. Object mistakes. Wrong. I need charge my phone. Right. I need to charge my phone. Need to. Big review homework. This will test everything. Task 1. Write a complete story about your day yesterday. Use at least 20 words from Part 3. Include time expressions, verbs, family or objects. At least one conversation. Example. Yesterday morning I woke up at 7. It was sunny outside. I ate breakfast with my mother. I walked to the store. I asked the salesperson, "How much is this phone?" He said, "It is $500. I said, "I will think about it." Then, I went to a restaurant for lunch. I ordered pasta. In the afternoon, I went home. Task 2. Write 3 complete conversations. 1 shopping conversation. 1 restaurant conversation. 1 asking for directions conversation. Use all the phrases you learned. Task 3. In the comments, write about your last weekend. What did you do? Where did you go? What was the weather like? Who were you with? Example. Last weekend, I went shopping with my sister on Saturday. The weather was beautiful and sunny. We ate lunch at an Italian restaurant. On Sunday, I stayed home with my family. We watched TV and relaxed. The weather was rainy, so we did not go out. Share your weekend story using Part 3 vocabulary. In Lesson 36, we start Part 4. Practical English for Life. Travel and Transportation. Lesson 36 is at the airport. Check-in, security, boarding. All the vocabulary and conversations you need for flying. Part 4 focuses on real-life situations. Airport, taxi, public transport, hotel, emergency phrases, doctor, bank, phone calls, shopping for clothes, post office, everything practical, everything useful, real situations you will encounter. But today you reviewed all of Part 3, 13 lessons. From basic verbs to complete conversations, from simple grammar to real dialogues, from individual words to natural communication. This is huge progress. Remember when you started, you learned the alphabet. Greetings, basic words. Now look at you. You can shop, order food, ask directions, make small talk, have conversations, use 2 different grammar tenses. Talk about your family, you schedule, your day. You are communicating in English, real communication. That is incredible achievement. Part 3 is complete. You should feel proud. You have worked hard. You have learned a lot. You are becoming an English speaker. Take a moment. Think about what you can do now that you could not do before. Amazing progress. Now get ready for part 4. More practical skills, more real conversations, more confidence. Keep going. You are doing great. See you tomorrow at the airport. Meow. Professor Whiskers out. Very proud of all of you.